Hi, and welcome to another video. I am Peter. I build custom scale model cars, trucks or other things for myself or for customers. In this video I'm going to do this little project for a friend of mine. It's going to be an anniversary present for him and his girlfriend. As base I'm using this BMW M3 E92 in 1/28 scale. It was remote controlled, but we are going to make a static model from it. So let's take it apart. It's not going to be a super detailed build, but just a little fun build on the side. After we took it apart, I sanded it and I put on some primer and a silver base coat. The color is going to be purple. Yes, you hear me, purple. A purple BMW M3. But have faith. It's the favorite color of his girlfriend, so yeah, why not? In total I put on 3 coats of purple. This is when it was just finished painting. I let it dry for about 24 hours and after this I put on some clear coat, 2 layers. And when you're new at my channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, put on your notifications bell and watch my whole videos please, you help me a lot. After about 24 hours the clear coat was dry, so now it was time to put the car back together. First I'm going to hand paint some black details like the window surrounding and some rubber strips. And when we're at it, we're going to mount some LED lights. The stock car was a little bit high for my liking, so I adjusted. I cut on some things and put on a little nut to higher the suspension. Just some finishing touches like a black roof and now it's finished. I want to thank you for watching this video. And when you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, comment. And yeah, I hope the girlfriend from my best friend is really happy with this. It's going to be a special present. I hope I see you the next time. Bye bye.